The RHS Flower Shows take place at a range of locations throughout the year, and they're a fantastic day out for gardening enthusiasts of all ages. The first show of the year is held in Cardiff, and it takes place in April. Here are my 7 top reasons to visit the RHS Flower Show Cardiff. RHS Flower Shows are famous for their stunning show gardens, and this is my first reason to visit an RHS show. These gardens showcase the landscaper's craft, and you'll see innovative designs and beautiful planting. They're all competing for the coveted RHS medals and the Best Show Garden award. The show gardens always come in a range of styles, with modern hard landscaping and imaginative planting designs on show, and you're bound to see plenty that gets you talking. You may not always like every garden you see, and you might not always agree with the judges' decisions, but you're sure to find some inspiration that you can take home to your own garden. Next on my list of reasons to visit the RHS Flower Show Cardiff is the beautiful Floral Marquee. The marquee is packed full of stands from a wide range of plant growers and nurseries, and because the show is held in April, there's a real feeling of spring about the displays. You'll see everything from tulips and lilies to hostas and succulents. And of course, you're bound to see daffodils in Cardiff. But there's more than just flowers in the Floral Marquee. You'll also find vegetable seed suppliers and bonsai tree specialists. All that walking around will surely help you to work up an appetite, and that's a good thing because there's plenty to eat and drink at RHS Cardiff. You can choose from a wide range of street food stalls, selling everything from toasties and vegan burgers to fish and chips and hot dogs. You're bound to find something delicious. Or if you want something to eat on the move, then why not pick something up from one of the stands? They sell delicious treats, both sweet and savoury. But make sure to leave room for some Welsh cakes. They're even more delicious when they're eaten straight from the griddle and sprinkled with sugar. Ready to get moving again? You can shop till you drop at RHS Cardiff. You'll find plenty of plants, trees and bulbs to choose from in the Floral Marquee. And outside, there are even more opportunities for shopping. Why not indulge in some delicious food and drink to take home? There's lots to choose from, including plenty of local produce from Welsh suppliers. You can also treat yourself to something special for your home or garden. There's plenty to see and do at the RHS Flower Show in Cardiff. You'll find live entertainment throughout the day, on the bandstand and around the grounds. And there's a special family trail with gardening clues for youngsters to follow. Going to an RHS Flower Show is a great opportunity to learn from the experts. Not only by speaking to exhibitors on their own stands, but also through a series of presentations in the RHS Talks Theatre. You'll be able to hear from RHS judges and gardeners and other people working in the horticulture industry. And if you've ever found yourself wondering what to do with flowers once you get them home, well, RHS Cardiff has that covered as well. Over on the floristry bench, there are talks and demonstrations from top florists, with tips on how to display blooms for the best impact. And the potting bench is a place to go to hear tips and advice from specialist exhibitors who are experts in their chosen plants. But the main reason to visit RHS Cardiff is that it's a fantastic day out for people of all ages. Young or old, green-fingered expert or gardening novice, you're bound to find something that interests and excites you at the RHS Flower Show Cardiff. And if you can't make it to the Cardiff show, why not take a look at one of the other RHS Flower Shows throughout the year? Full details of how to find out about your nearest show are in the box below. Thanks for watching this video. Why not watch one of these ones next?